position where I'm home pretty much all the time because I'm work from home, and then on the times that I'm gone, my best friend is a vet tech, and so she's willing to do